Another day, another shortcut, this time in ArchiCAD. On the beginning of the month I explained the shortcut G. G allows us to change geometry methods when, for example, we are drawing the wall, and we can change, before we start to drawing the wall, we can change the geometry method. We can also change geometry method when we are drawing, when we are in this process of drawing the wall. But C is connected to this way of drawing some elements in ArchiCAD. What is going on with this C letter? So when I'm, for example, drawing some wall, by clicking G, I'm changing here geometry method. I'm back to the strange walls. When I'm drawing, and when I start clicking C, you can change the place where the baseline is. So I can change reference line location by clicking C letter. So we know that when we are drawing something, I can go here to change this, but without changing like that, I can change by clicking C letter on my keyboard. Quick, very easy shortcut, and I think it's you really use it quite often when you are designing something, because G and C, it's very nice and very easy to remember, and very nice when you are really designing something, making using those shortcuts, making that you will designing much more quicker something. We see you tomorrow about Vectorworks, and remember that you have just around 10 days to download your list of shortcuts from my website. Just go to my website, place your email address, that's it. In a few seconds you will get your own list of shortcuts. And here we also find information, because this list of shortcuts is for international version of ArchiCAD. If you're working in different language, most of those shortcuts will working also in your ArchiCAD, but some can be changed. In some versions there are much more, and there are something 300 shortcuts. In international are around 200 shortcuts, and some can be different between versions of ArchiCAD. If you are working in different language, it can be a little bit different shortcuts as well. And but on this list, on the beginning, on the first page, you can find information how to find your version of shortcuts if you will find that those words are on the list are different from this what you can use in ArchiCAD. See you tomorrow about Vectorworks, day after tomorrow about ArchiCAD.